The gate is rolling with race 9, Provoke Me, Casimir Japa, Royal Putnam, Lyra Lyra, Picking Up Chicks, Valid Appeal, and I Wish on the outside. A field of 7, top of the stretch. Here they come. They're off from the inside. Provoke Me and Casimir Japa are the first ones to leave out. Getting away in third. Now going to the cones, Royal Putnam. Lyra Lyra looking at it from fourth. Picking up Chicks in fifth. Racing in sixth, that's Valid Appeal. And your early trailer is I Wish. They make their way down the EPR backstretch and on for the opening quarter-mile station. And Gilles Barrio has put Provoke Me on the front end. They race on past the opening quarter in 28 and 4/5. Racing in the tight second. Now that's Casimir Japa. Royal Putnam eyes the outside. Now challenges those leaders. Racing in fourth. That is Lyra Lyra as they make their way off the turn and down the lane for the half. Out in front with the lead, Provoke Me is about to be joined on the outside by Royal Putnam in second. Casimir Japa still right there in third as they race on past the half in 59 and 3. Racing in fourth. That is Lyra Lyra picking up Chicks in fifth. On the outside and on the move, there goes Valid Appeal and the trailer. I Wish. On past the 5/8 now and on towards the 3/4 mile station. And Provoke Me now has opened up a lead of 2 1/4 lengths. Casimir Japa now back in second. Up on the outside, Lyra Lyra has improved to be third. 1:29 flat past the 3/4 mile station, and Provoke Me now has a diminishing lead now by just a length and a half. Casimir Japa getting closer from second. Lyra Lyra in third. They have an 1/8 of a mile left to go, and Barrio goes to work on Provoke Me. Casimir Japa, the tough mare, goes to the outside and challenges for that lead. On surging in the deep stretch, it's going to be Casimir Japa to win it. Finishing second, Provoke Me. Lyra Lyra was third. Time for the mile. 2 minutes, 2/5.